Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to change bullet points in Canva. For that, first you have to open your preferred browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in canva.com. Here it will lead you to Canva website, and on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that you can see text option on the left side. Click on it and click on add a text box. Now type in the text, and after that you can see this option on the top side which says list. Click on it and it will create this bullet point. Now if you want to change this bullet point, you can click on this list option again and it will change the bullet point into the numeric value. And if you don't want to add a bullet point, you can simply click on that option again and it will delete the bullet point. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.